Mommy!
Yes, sweetheart?
Look what I made!
It's beautiful, sweetie.
Mommy, can you make a sandwich for me?
Of course, baby. Let me check. Baby, there's no bread or vegetables at home.
Oh. Mommy, can I come with you?
No, baby. It might rain. Stay home and play. I'll be back in about 20 minutes.
Okay, Mommy. Come back soon.
I will, sweetheart. Be a good girl.
Oh God! That's so scary!
What should I do now? Mommy, when will you come back?
Oh no, the rain started. Vini must be scared. I need to go home fast. Please take me to Sector 18.
Okay, ma'am. Please sit.
Please, Mommy, come soon. I need you.
Don't cry, baby. I'm here now.
Mommy. Mommy, I saw a scary shadow.
Don't be scared, baby. Whenever you're afraid, remember Lord Hanuman. He protects you.
Okay, Mommy. Oh, that's the shadow?
Yes, baby. Nothing scary at all. Let's make a sandwich.
I will help you, Mom.
Let's eat now.
Yay! I love sandwich, Mommy.